How does DNS caching work? Have you ever wondered how your device knows where to find a website when you type in its name? The answer lies in a process called domain name system caching. This process helps speed up your internet experience by storing information about website addresses. Let's break it down step by step. When you enter a website address, your device needs to convert that name into an Internet Protocol address. This is essential for connecting to the correct server. Normally, this conversion requires a query to the domain name system, which can take time if done repeatedly. This is where caching comes in handy. The first layer of caching happens in your web browser. When you visit a website, your browser saves the resolved address in its local cache. If you decide to revisit the site soon after, the browser can quickly use this stored information instead of asking again. If the browser cache does not have the information, the next stop is your operating system. The operating system has its own cache that can be shared among different applications on your device. This helps to avoid unnecessary queries. If the operating system cache also misses the record, the query goes to a recursive domain name system resolver. This resolver is typically provided by your internet service provider or a third-party service. It keeps a cache of previously looked up addresses to serve future requests more quickly. In cases where none of the caches have the needed information, the recursive resolver will reach out to authoritative domain name system servers. These servers hold the official records for domain names. Once the information is retrieved, it is cached at each step back to your device. Each cached record comes with a time to live value. This value indicates how long the record can stay in the cache before it is considered outdated. When this time expires, the next query will trigger a fresh lookup to ensure the information is current. Time to live values can vary. Short values, like 30 to 300 seconds, allow for quick updates but can increase the number of queries to the authoritative servers. Longer values, such as 24 hours, reduce the load on these servers while speeding up repeated lookups for stable domains. A common default time to live is around 3,600 seconds, or 1 hour. By caching domain name system records, the internet becomes more efficient. This process reduces latency, which is the delay in loading websites, and lowers bandwidth usage. It also eases the workload on both authoritative servers and recursive resolvers, contributing to a more stable network. In the grand scheme of how the internet operates, domain name system caching is essential for fast and reliable domain name resolution. It plays a vital role in web hosting, content delivery networks, and network routing. Efficient caching helps ensure a smooth user experience, especially when combined with other elements like data centers and fiber optic networks that carry data across the globe.